Animals with whom nature has played a dirty joke. Number 1. Squirrels. They are killed because of their own body, because their teeth keep growing throughout their life. Therefore, squirrels have to chew something or the other continuously. But as soon as they stop chewing with their teeth grow so much that they cannot eat anything. And then they die slowly and agonizingly due to hunger and thirst. Number 2. Giraffes. The heart of a giraffe beats 170 times in a minute. And because the giraffe's neck is the largest among all animals, blood reaches their brain with very high pressure. Because of this, they cannot lower their head for more than 25 seconds to drink water. If they keep their head down for a longer time, they may even die due to blood clotting in the brain.